guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Hope you're all enjoying the sunshine at home, and more importantly, I hope you're all staying safe, staying healthy and staying sane. I know that I've been going a little bit stir crazy and have had my moments, but having a good day today, and I thought I would whack the camera on and film a video for you. The world's a bit of a crazy place at the moment. What I've been doing is binging a lot of YouTube, and it's so good to see that so many people are like filming a lot of videos at the moment. And it's one thing that I said that I was going to do, and I haven't. This is the first video I filmed since my previous video, which if you haven't seen, I will link somewhere, which was my long haul makeup routine. Really bad hay fever the past maybe week and a half, and today and yesterday, the first 2 days that I've actually been able to wear makeup. So that's why I haven't filmed, because I've been in bed watching Glee, eating my body weight in shortcake biscuits and Doritos, suffering really badly with hay fever. At the beginning of this whole lockdown situation, I basically just didn't really know what the hell was going on with my job and what I was going to be doing. I think we'll get into a little bit of a life update first, and then we'll get into the video. I'm currently on furlough from my job and not due back until like the end of May, but to be honest with you, I do think it will be a little bit longer, but just have to wait and see what happens. So I'm at home with my parents, and I've literally not been doing a lot. Like I said, my hay fever's been really bad, so I haven't been able to film. I filmed a few TikToks like last week, but with like no makeup on and my glasses on, and I just looked really ill in those videos. And then I've taken a few Instagram photos, but with my phone over my face, so you couldn't see how bad my eyes were. So yeah, I haven't really been doing a lot of content, which sucks, but I'm so motivated and so keen to get back into it. I literally filmed like 15 TikToks yesterday, so I'm like set for the next couple days, and I probably will film a few more today. So obsessed with TikTok. If you haven't already followed me, again, I will leave it down below, but it's Phoebe Taylor. And yeah, I really appreciate all the support over there, because I put a lot of effort into most of my videos, and I enjoy TikTok so much. It's such a good laugh. If you haven't already got on the bandwagon, then go and download it, because honestly, I sit there for hours and just scroll through TikToks. They're so funny. I'm not really a big Netflix user normally, only when I'm with my boyfriend or there's nothing on YouTube, then I'll go to Netflix. But I've been watching Glee, because I used to watch it back in the day, but I never really got past season 2 or 3. And there's 6 seasons, and I'm currently on season 4, so loving Glee. RuPaul's Drag Race I've been watching, even though all my favourites are pretty much gone now, except Gigi Good. I hope she wins. So once I finish Glee, I think I'm going to go to Prime and watch Grey's Anatomy, because 15 seasons of that are on there, and I used to watch it back in the day, so I'm going to probably watch Grey's Anatomy next. And that's all I've been doing really. Ordering a lot of stuff off of Amazon and clothes. JD orders, Pretty Little Thing orders. I just got this top from JD, which is super cute, along with a couple other pieces which I've been putting on my Instagram. I've been getting into fashion posts recently. I've never really been that into fashion, but have started posting like kind of more outfit related photos. So I'm really getting into that as well. Definitely getting more into editing my photos and making my Instagram look a little bit more professional. That's been a big thing for me. And yeah, nothing else really. That's all I've been doing. I hope you guys are all okay. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you've been up to. And yeah, I think we'll get into the video now. I'm going to be showing you today what is in my cabin crew topper, or my cabin crew bag, because I haven't gone through it in a really long time, like probably since my last flight, which was like 5-6 weeks ago now. I thought it would be interesting, maybe to those of you that want to be cabin crew, or those of you that just want something to watch or might find this interesting. Let's get on with the video. So this is my cabin crew bag. I've zoomed you out a little bit just so I could fit the whole thing in. It is just a basic black bag. It's got the Velcro on the back to attach to your suitcase, 2 handles on the top, 1 long handle. This bag is from the company called Trip, and pretty much everybody airline wise gets their bags from Trip. I would say 9 out of 10 cabin crew have got a Trip bag. I've got this, and I've also got cabin suitcase and the medium suitcase, all from Trip. Have no complaints. I get them from Debenhams. So the bag I've got is called the Trip Black Full Circle Flight Bag, and it is only £16 on the Trip website. It's currently in the sale. It's usually 20, and it's in stock. and you can also get it in like grey, I think navy blue, and it's a really, really good bag. I'd really recommend it. It looks kind of smallish, but you can fit so much in it because it goes quite deep. It's the perfect size bag just to fit on top of your suitcase and go. So I really recommend it. So I'm going to start with the zippy part in the front here, and I'm just going to pull stuff out randomly and we're just going to see what's in there. So first thing is my passport. My passport is covered in the little stickers you get when you check a bag in. So where is that? BA16. I think that's the way back from Singapore, I'm not sure. I've got Cape Town, Singapore, Sydney, just because I don't like losing them just in case my bag goes missing. And so I'm like, where's somewhere that I can just stick it? And so I just stick them to the back of my passport. There was more on here, but I peeled a lot of them off. So yeah, passport is the first thing. I've got Juicy Fruit gum, because I always buy that every time I go to America. 2 pairs of earphones. Don't ask why I have 2. Oh, there we go. But I have 2 pairs of earphones. I have one of these Olbus inhalers, because if you get blocked ears, these things are really, really good. If you have it on a flight and just do like one really big sniff on each side, it's really good for kind of opening up your sinuses and unblocking your ears. Okay, how many pens do we think I have in this bag? I'm going to say like 6. Oh, there's another one. 3. Oh, 6. There's one in my gilet, I think, as well, so 7. All different pens from hotels. I always take the pen in the hotel because you can never have enough pens as cabin crew. I have random tablets. I have flight sickness tablets, Lemsip, and these are antibiotics, just in case. Nail file, because somebody always breaks a nail on a flight and then they're like, oh my god, has anyone got a nail file? It's always good to have one handy. I have a random spare pair of wings, just in case mine fall off, because I know people lose their wings all the time. And I got given 2 when I first started, so they're in there. Finished packets of extra chewing gum. Cotton buds, in case I need to clean my ears out or something. Spare name badge. Strawberry ice pop chapstick. Random impulse purchase from CVS. Hairband. And my torch. These are what we use on night flights. If we need to walk through the cabin, if we need to check seat belts. Oh, and another torch, but this is like a random flying star torch. Right, so that is everything from that compartment. I'm now going to go inside the bag, dreading opening it because it's going to smell like feet. I can already tell because my shoes smell so bad. TMI, sorry, but they do. And inside is just one big compartment and then a little zippy bit at the back. So we'll start with the zippy bit and then move on to the main compartment of the bag. I love how the first thing I pull out is a sick bag. But you never know, like, when you're going to need a sick bag or someone else is going to need a sick bag on a coach to a hotel, someone might feel sick. On the way home, on the way to work, you never know, someone might be throwing up on the tube and they might need a sick bag. It's always good to have one. I have a little notepad because I think a notepad is really, really handy. If you're working in the galley, not in the cabin, and you need to make notes, or just anything in general, if something's happened on board, or I don't know, anything you need to make a note of. It's always good to have a little notepad. Even if you're taking drinks orders, I rip a couple pages out. Tea bag. I think this is cup of soup. Yeah, tomato. Cup of soup. Again, it's nice to have on board. Tea bag. I have a card which my boyfriend wrote to me, which literally is just really cute. It's just a little card just to tell me how much he loves me. And I always keep that in my bag because if I'm feeling down during a flight, if it's a bad flight or I feel a bit lonely en route, I can open this and have a little read, and it's just nice to have with me. 2 more tea bags. I have cystitis relief cranberry sachets, just in case. I have a sachet of burn gel. There was one flight I did when I first started, when I had a heat stroke. I had to put burn gel on my chest, and that was just what was left over. I have my float, which is just in case someone buys something in duty free and I need to give them change. Sachet of sugar. Right, that is it for the back pocket. So I'm going to move on now to the main section of the bag. kind of dreading going through what's in here, but because all right now I can see is food, so please don't judge me, but I have a healthy appetite, let's put it that way. So I have a half-eaten bag of Werther's Original toffees. These are like the soft ones, not the crunchy ones. I have a packet of cheese and onion squares. There's a common theme here. Packet of hula hoops. I think that could be it for food. I have a packet of disposable gloves, because we all got given one of these on the last flight that I did, which was just a there and back, and they gave everybody one of these, so I've got them just in case I need them. But I really hate these gloves because they're covered in like a white powder, and then you touch your uniform by accident and you're covered in this white powder and it just looks so bad, but they're there just in case I need them. I have my bar keys and bunk keys to get into the bunks or the bars on board with my little Despicable Me keyring. I have a spare pair of tights, another spare pair of tights, spare liquids bag because you never know when yours is going to break, another spare liquids bag. I have my work phone, which is just my iPhone. I only use it when I'm looking at like passenger lists, that's it. So it's nice to have. Phone plug, the cable I'm currently using. I have my liquids bag. Should we go through this? Yeah, let's go through this. So, liquids bag. I have Sure deodorant, which is almost empty, but a little deodorant. I have a Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes body spray. I have a Dermalogica skin smoothing cream. I have a little bottle of foundation. This has got the Fenty Pro Filter in it. I have a Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. My Fenty red lipstick. A little Colgate Max White toothpaste. Ultradex breath spray. I have 2 lipsticks, one Charlotte Tilbury in Bitch Perfect and MAC in Snob. Some mouthwash that I took from a hotel. And then was this Rimmel? No, a Maybelline Colour Sensational lip liner in the shade Brick Red. This is my go-to red lip liner. And a mini roller lash mascara from Benefit. This is the worst part. My cabin shoes. Oh my god, they smell so bad. I'm going to clean these. I'm going to leave these out. But these are called the Piccadilly shoes and they are from the Shoe Man, I believe. If you just type in cabin crew shoes, Piccadilly, they should come up on Google. But if I can find them, I will link them below because these are the comfiest cabin shoes. They've got no heel, literally this tiny little heel here. And they are super padded inside. They are so comfortable. Loads of girls have got these shoes because they are just the comfiest things ever. If you want something with a bit of a heel, then I think they do a similar option. But these ones are the comfiest shoes ever and I could not recommend them enough. But yeah, I will try and link them below if I can find them. I have a portable charger, which is what I use on board if there's nowhere for me to charge my phone and I do need it. So if I'm in the bunks, for instance, I can use this. And it has 4 full chargers in it. Just plug your iPhone cable in the end and you're good to go. I think I got this off Amazon and it was quite cheap. So again, I will link it below if I can find it. And then last but not least, I have my gilet, which is what I wear when I'm doing my service. And it's got just a little notepad in it and another pen. And that's it. I normally have like some kind of weird things in the pockets, but I have that needs washing, so I'm going to leave that out as well. But yeah, bag is empty. So that brings me to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. I hope it's quick. I don't know how long I've been filming for. I hope you found this video interesting and I will leave as much stuff as I've shown links down below if you're interested in the bag, the shoes. I was about to say the gilet then, but no. I will leave as much as I can linked down below. Let me know if there's any videos you want me to film. I have got quite a few ideas that I am getting ready to film. I'm going to do like a glow up video because I need a bit of a glow up. Like as you can see, I've pretty much like highlighted my own hair, but I need a bit of a glow up. I'm going to tone my hair, make it nice and white. I'm going to take these nails off because they're so long and need coming off, and do them myself. I'm going to do my eyebrows because they need waxing. nice little skin treatment, nice long bar for the pamper. Yeah, so glow up video is coming. I'm gonna do a clothing haul because I've bought loads of new clothes recently. I think maybe a homeware haul. And I'm also going to do like a lockdown made me buy it video. I just come up with that idea in my head because I've been online shopping like crazy, like I said earlier, and I'm just going to do a video showing you all the random stuff I have bought during lockdown so far. Sorry for rambling, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button wherever it is, and give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And yeah, let me know what you'd like to see from me down below, because now that I am hay fever free for now, fingers crossed, touch wood, I'm going to be trying to film a bit more. In between filming, I'm going to be posting Instagram photos and of course making TikToks, because TikTok has my heart. Hope you guys all have a great day and are staying healthy, staying at home, and of course staying sane. My DMs are always open if anyone ever needs to talk. I will speak to you guys all in the next video. Bye!